If you've been searching for the secrets to optimal health, you're not alone. In this journey, knowing what to eat plays a crucial role. So today, we're going to unlock the power of your plate and reveal the top foods that can supercharge your well-being. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just beginning to explore the world of nutrition, join me and discover the incredible impact that the right foods can have on your life. Let's get started. I'm a medical doctor. As a professional, my passion lies in preventive medicine, helping people make better lifestyle choices so they can live healthier lives and even thrive. But many people still don't know what foods are good for them or what they should be eating every single day. So that's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. I will also give you some insights into the Mediterranean diet, which has been proven by science to be one of the healthiest diets in the world. So here is Chapter 1, the basics. It may sound basic, but really it's that simple. Vegetables, at least 3 servings a day. Make sure you choose different colors because different colors mean different nutrients. So try to eat all colors of the rainbow. Fruit, 2 servings a day, ideally seasonal. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, or whole wheat bread. High-quality protein such as fish, legumes, eggs, or lean meat. And don't forget, water is also food. So drink between 1.5 and 2 liters per day. In Chapter 2, we'll discuss power foods. There are some foods that stand out due to their high nutrient content and health benefits. These foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help boost your immune system, reduce inflammation, and improve overall health. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are excellent sources of healthy fats, fiber, and minerals like magnesium and zinc. They can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Olive oil is another powerhouse when it comes to heart health. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help protect against heart disease and certain types of cancer. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are low in calories but packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They can help improve brain function, reduce inflammation, and support healthy aging. Natural yogurt or kefir are excellent sources of protein, calcium, and probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help support a healthy gut, improve digestion, and boost the immune system. And now, Chapter 3, What to Avoid. Now, while it's important to focus on incorporating healthy foods into your daily diet, it's equally important to be mindful of the foods that can harm your health. Sugary drinks such as soda and energy drinks are loaded with added sugars and empty calories, which can contribute to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and other health problems. Highly processed foods, including packaged snacks, fast food, and sugary cereals, are often high in unhealthy fats, added sugars, and artificial ingredients. Consuming too much of these foods can lead to weight gain, inflammation, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. Excessive consumption of red or processed meat such as sausages, bacon, and deli meats has been linked to an increased risk of certain cancers, heart disease, and other health issues. While occasional treats are okay, it's important to limit the intake of chips, sweets, and fast food to reduce the risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and other health problems. Alcohol can have negative effects on your health, relationships, and overall well-being. Drinking too much alcohol can lead to liver disease, heart problems, and certain types of cancer. As promised, here is my bonus tip as a doctor. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. You don't have to completely cut out all the foods you enjoy to maintain a healthy diet. Instead, aim for balance and moderation. Follow the 80-20 rule. 80% of the time, choose healthy, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. This will provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally. The remaining 20% of the time, you can indulge in your favorite treats and comfort foods. By following this approach, you can enjoy a balanced diet that satisfies your taste buds while still providing your body with the nourishment it needs. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. Every healthy choice you make is a step towards a better, brighter future. Now, if you'd like to learn more about how to incorporate these foods into your daily meals, check out this playlist here with more videos about healthy eating. You can also take a look at the description below for additional resources on making healthier food choices. Before we wrap up, I have one last piece of advice for you. Don't settle for mediocre health. You deserve to feel your best every single day. By making informed food choices, you can unlock a world of benefits, boost your energy, strengthen your body, and sharpen your mind. I encourage you to prioritize your well-being and nourish your body with the healthy foods we've discussed today. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. So start incorporating these foods into your daily routine and experience the transformative power of good nutrition. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are your go-to healthy foods that you enjoy eating? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to hit the like button. Your support means the world to us. If you enjoyed this video, you might also appreciate this playlist with more doctor-approved tips. Stay healthy and take care. Here are some practical ways to incorporate those foods into your daily routine. Breakfast. Start your day with whole grain toast topped with avocado or nut butter for a healthy dose of fats and fibers. Add a sprinkle of berries for extra antioxidants and vitamins. Or enjoy a bowl of natural yogurt with granola and fruit for a parfait that's both delicious and nutritious. Lunch. Opt for a salad with mixed greens, colorful veggies, and a protein source like grilled chicken or chickpeas. Dress it up with a dash of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice for a flavorful and nourishing meal. Whole wheat wraps or sandwiches with lean protein, lettuce, tomato, and a side of fruit make for a convenient and satisfying lunch option. Dinner. Go for baked or grilled fish with roasted vegetables and a side of quinoa or brown rice for a balanced and nutritious dinner. Alternatively, try lentil soup with whole grain bread for a comforting and fiber-rich meal. Snacks. Keep it simple with a handful of nuts or a piece of fruit when hunger strikes between meals. For a more substantial snack, consider Greek yogurt or whole wheat cracker with cheese. Remember, a healthy diet should be enjoyable and sustainable. Experiment with different recipes and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to treat yourself occasionally, but make healthy choices the norm. By making gradual changes and finding healthy foods you love, you can set yourself up for long-term success. Eating well isn't just about avoiding certain foods. It's about embracing a wide variety of nutritious options that fuel your body and make you feel amazing. So go ahead, explore the world of healthy eating, and discover the delicious possibilities that await you.